If you are looking for the ultimate show-stopping dessert, then I guarantee that this is it. We've got beautiful layers of crispy meringue, salted peanut and caramel mousse, and then a salted peanut praline to finish. One bite and I assure you it's completely worth the effort. So we're going to start by drawing outlines for our meringues, and you're doing this so that you have even meringues because it's a stack. Give your trays a quick spray and then turn the paper over so that the outline is on the underside. To make your meringue bases, we're going to add our egg whites, caster sugar and cream of tartar to the stand mixer. And you want room temperature egg whites for this, caster sugar, and then your cream of tartar. And my favourite thing about this recipe is that you just add everything all at once and you walk away for 15 minutes, you come back and it's done. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. We're just going to check that the sugars dissolve. You just do this by taking a little bit and rubbing it between your index finger and your thumb. And now we're just going to add half a teaspoon of white vinegar, and that will just help to stabilise our mixture. And you just want to fold it through for just about 10 seconds at max. Our meringue mixture is ready. So now we'll start by dividing it between the trays. Spread into circles using the outline as a guide. So now we're going to place our meringues in the oven and reduce to 100 degrees. Then we're going to cook for 2.5 hours until they're crisp and dry. Okay, so now we're going to start to make our salted peanut and caramel mousse. We've got some cream, which is just over medium-high heat, and we're going to add some caster sugar to that. And just give that a stir to combine. So we're going to wait for that to dissolve, and while we're waiting, we're going to soak our gelatin leaves, just soak in cold water to soften. So now just transfer to a large bowl, and then we're just going to chill until the cream has set. While the cream is cooling, you can make your salted peanut praline. We're just going to use a non-stick pan and add our caster sugar. And we're just going to cook that until it's a nice dark caramel. And I'm just going to add some finely chopped salted peanuts to the caramel. And you've got to work quickly here. You want to set this aside for about 30 minutes or until it's set and completely cool. Now we're going to finish off making our salted peanut and caramel mousse mixture. So we have our cream mixture, which we made before with the gelatin. We're going to add that to the stand mixer and then just whisk it until it's nice and smooth. So once your cream mixture is nice and smooth, we're going to add the dulce de leche and the peanut butter. Now we're just going to add our remaining cream just to thin the mousse out a little bit and whisk until it's nice and smooth. So now we're just going to chill this mix for 2 hours. Okay, so we've now got all of our elements ready to go. Take one of your meringues, take the least attractive one here, save the best for the top. The mousse mixture, and I'm just going to add 1/4 of that and just dollop on top. Just smooth, not all the way to the edge, leave about 1 centimetre. Add 1/4 of the chopped dark chocolate, and now you can just repeat the layering until you've used all your ingredients. So we're on the final layer now, and we're going to add our peanut praline shards to this layer to finish. This is my favourite part, cracking the praline. I'm just going to break this into some nice big shards. And our finishing touch is now the peanut praline. So there we have our salted peanut and caramel meringue stack. It's an absolutely decadent dessert, but trust me, you'll enjoy every bite. For more great recipes, go to delicious.com.au.